What's going on, guys? Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. You know, Shiny K there. So this morning we go out about 6 o'clock, very early. But today we see flat calm. So we did have the issue with the current. No current in the water. And one thing Barracuda like current. Then time I'm on. They like when the current strong to move. See? So no current, so that means they're not gonna move. But further up in the months like May, when the season get hot, like them a move every day. Even when the current light, them a go move same way. But we are gonna cook a group of me catch yesterday. If you never see that video yet, we are gonna roll on the clip now and make you see how me shooting. But see how water look today. I saw all February always cold, you see me? All February. This month are the peak of the winter, you see it? So by next month the place will get warmer, you see me? That's why February always cold, so right now cold. You see me? See Chihuahua, yeah? Chihuahua, see the water look there, guys. Astonishingly, it's one of the beautifulest places here in Jamaica. Yeah, man. So right now, I never got itch up. Right now, I'm just go head out because right now pretty early. You see me? I take about 20 minutes for walk come down here. Yeah, and Paul even reach yet, so for sure I say early. You know? So I go gears up now and head out and see what God have in store for me. You know? Always pray to God for your guidance and your protection. Yeah, man. Catch you guys in the hour. So just a come up. Watch it. Yeah, man. Look way out on the outside of the deep water. We see wave never go up, see, so that means a lot wind. So hopefully, see you see cab now. Hopefully see it get rough. Look how we find, guys. Yeah, but SpongeBob SquarePants. We find Patrick this morning. Yeah, man, we are gonna put him back. Them here, I want like only thing where you can lose a foot and grow it back. Yeah, I saw you man should have stay. I put him back, you know. So after reaching the spot, waiting about 30 minutes, saw this lovely barracuda sneaking from behind, so I take the dive on it. But he was a little bit aggressive and wild, so I just leave him alone. So about an hour later, I look underneath me. I saw this thing. I was wondering what it was. When I looked, it was a NASA grouper. It's been a while since I speared one of these type of fish. Normally they migrate in October months, and you will see them in school of thousands. But it's been a while since they migrate this side of Jamaica. Yeah! When we look all that school, I saw me see my look up for me. For 4 pounds. Alright, yeah. Yeah, people, you know a lot. Just see something like this. You have to call them a Nassau grouper. Man. Yeah, it's what this. Lock me there like waterfall, look. Water hot. Look, this I look for me, I say, what? You know, man. I put you up on your Silabara.
It's been 6 months since the last time I see so much crustacean, jellyfish and plantain. They was biting me, stinging me. So about after 2 hours later, waiting patiently one place, I saw this lovely barracuda. You can see he's very strong. He was swimming with a salmon. So sometimes I spare this barracuda. I can just pull them up aggressive. But when you do that, sometimes they give you a hard fight. So I prefer just make the tired first and then I just pull them up easy after a while. Probably a minute.
So for the last 2 hours, no current in the water. A barrel like well current in the water. If they laugh in the current, they must stop and stay with it out. But when the current in the water, they travel. So for the last 2 hours, we just see low. Alright, that's all I'm going to see that one they just come. My current just start change and I move. I'm sphere. So no about 10, 11 o'clock. We're dead going. So yeah, we have about 30 more minutes. The last look, it's be current well dead. So we are going to take up the bar and rock. I'm going. Yeah, man. I mean, I go eat it for real, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, I go eat this boy.
Nice boy, yeah. Really?
Oh,
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, man. Put him on the scale. Big boy.
Tell them about you.
Yeah.
He's so strong, man.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
You turn something.
Yeah, turn something. What? Yeah, man.
That's a 7 man, something like that.
Yeah.
You turn something.
See that? A long time I not shoot one of them and you call them a NASA grouper. See that? Yeah, man. We just put it on the scale, it has say 9 pounds, but Paula tell me say scale now work so probably weigh more. As you can see how big one this. As me take a while to the water extra calm and the current dead, you see it. So the bar they not really move to that. The bar they like current. So hopefully tomorrow the current strong. So I'm gonna scale this off you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, see you bar yeah? Just put it on the scale, it weigh 15 pounds. You know, bar feel heavier like about 16. You see it? Me have to have patience to see this bar. That's why in life, if you want to be successful, you have to have patience. You see? I'm going to scale him off now. Yo. Eh? Grouper. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice, you know? Fat. Eh? Eh. Look at me see no more. Normally when I see them I travel by group. Eh. Heal them up now and touch go me now. So I head home now. Man, nice boy they on the back. Me I weigh them back. when I go home because the other scale is no good. So probably the grouper we are 10 pound. This probably we are 16 pound. But the grouper, the plan for the grouper, I'm not gonna sell it as it. Grouper, we do a catch and cook, me and Paul as it. Yeah man, we are gonna cook him up. Well, me I go cut in a two. Give my grandmother half eye. And me and Paul are going to cook up the next half as it. But right now I'm going to head home. Probably a 10-minute walk or 5, you know. And then I'm going to go to Port Anthony later. Go buy the parts and few bikes. Man, so that how me shoot him. So today we are going to cook the group of the today. Is it me and Paul, Bulby, yeah, you know, the whole crew. So we are going to tin foil it. You see me? Some crackers and thing. You know, it's gonna be a epic day. So remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah man. Hey. Oh, the car man. Why Paul out there? Out there dead? Dead. No, son. What do you say I make you know?
Yeah man, I want to be general anyway, not you go come through top, yeah.
Yes. Yeah man, so what you are going now? Cause up me I go here now. So me I go up now for fish now, so me I buy some file paper and something. So me can go and catch up a fire, you know what I mean, right? Yeah man. Can go and catch up a fire now. Yeah, cause me I go up and come back.
You know?
Yeah man. Big something I go on, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah man. Really sweet, no? Yeah man, we say Lati cock out so. Yeah man. One Paul, you know? Rastafari.
Yeah man, straight up, one up, you know?
Yeah man. Papa, be so circle back. Yeah, see that? Fire catch already, so me just go up here now. Grab all things we want were essential to the cooking and come back. Just well a nice little fresh as it. Clean your frig. Oh bad. You might say now this now another igloo I have a grouper, you see me? So I go buy the thing them for cook and then head down the beach.
Big
Yeah. So I go on to coconut milk, cocktail and what else? Yeah, crackers. Yeah man, the man crackers. Yeah.
Where I go see?
Yeah, I cook up some grouper, you see it?
You get grouper, eh?
You know what that? Yeah man, so add up them then. Not really, but we just end up to book that one, you see it? I think me get everything. You see it? Me nearly not get no file car, no file paper. The day I shop them, so up on my yard me have to go back. But search and me find these, you see it? Yo, it's sun immense today. Yo, watch you now. A morning time, weather cold. And then, night during the day, sun come out and it's hot.
And you can't line up now.
Yeah, man.
So mash up the day, go ahead, yeah.
Yes, it.
What that? There you go.
Grouper.
Ah, good.
Yeah, man. One chunky piece, you know.
Alright, yeah man. Yeah man.
Sweet, you know.
What's that?
The body boat.
Only want them for the board.
Yeah.
Alright.
Why? Bulby, I have to go cut him up, you know. So your job that.
Yeah, that's something. You have to go use
Yeah, man,
I think we knock it so.
Knock it, yeah.
Slice.
Yeah.
I'll bring a little cup out there.
Yeah, man. The ingredients we are going to use today, you see me? We have a jerk season, all purpose, you see me? Pimento leaf, yeah, so you know what thing go? Yeah, man, a great cock go. We have 2 butter, yeah, man. And we have water crackers, you know, tough crackers and coconut juice. So after that done out, yeah, man, Bulby I go cut you up, you see? And then you pile it up to the fire and to the mouth.
There, I know.
I in nature kitchen here, you know, so right plant, you put plant na fire man and roast plant man. I make your mum eat natural plant, you know? Yeah.
You see?
Say something going
I wish this I know Simeon.
Fermental leaf. Yeah.
Oh.
Pick up some fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Natural, you know,
Natural
season
spice,
and
you know?
remedy.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Shiny kid, I see it.
Yeah, man, real boss. It's a nice adventure, boss. You get me?
Yeah, man.
Turn up loud.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we can put two of them there in the fire, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Alright, man, I put it on, sir.
Yeah, man.
I chop on. What you do? Turn your pan head, put it here, sir. And cut it from top way. Top way.
And then they are starting to fish.
Yeah.
You put the seafood fire, huh? Yeah, man. Action ready.
Just touch your finger. You have to glue your finger. That is it. What they call a wing. One thing with grouper, you know, now then jar full of meat. Watch there. Oh. No, sir. Yeah, man. Bad chef Chinese K there now, you see me? Man, see, plate of grouper, yeah? So what me I go do, me just I go season the group of them in a this bowl.
Yeah,
Put them in a file, yeah. So this is all purpose. This is the jerk season. The rubby in the season. So the thing comes up. No, I go one Paul when I calabash them. I get some water cap. I put some coconut milk in them. Right? Fish season up, you know. Catch some seawater in that thing. Yo! Some seawater in this thing. Like tin foil. Yeah, man, you know, say a nature food. So I go add piece of butter. More butter, better. Put little cotton over in there. I feel my style of filing fish different from everybody. See me, I go see. So I have a calabash with some water here, so what I go do? I go mix the coconut milk in it. Yeah. So after the coconut milk mix, so we have butter with season that already. Yeah, I go do the tin foil like a plate. Just like that. I go add a piece of platinum in it too. See me? We have crackers. Yeah, first one has them a style of filing fish, you see it? So we are going to add in some of the crackers. Like that, now go put on.
We have put piece of flesh and piece of skull.
Yeah, that me I do.
That I do.
Add coconut milk inside. So I gravy. And then next now, we are going to wrap it up. Just like this, so all the other rest, we are going to do the same thing. So, 5. So, put on here. So everything is on the fire now. So we have 3, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that I enough for everybody. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, I give them the life on 20 minutes. Yeah. Me get the kitchen clean, the calabash clean, face clean, cutboard, knife, everything clean. The I just this. They are going bubble up nice, you know. Yes. All out there are going easy, you know. Yeah, man. It's ready now. Is it? Yo, Paul, come in, you know? Yeah. Every man touch you, you know? Man, yeah. One Paul, Rastafari.
Yeah, man, I am this man.
Yeah, man, take one a bigger one, man. Outside there, Paul. That one I fear, you know.
Which
Let
one?
me tell you, say, I'm here, I go eat, you know. See it, eh?
Yeah, man.
That is it.
I give him this, you know?
Yes, it.
I boy this. I was sort him out, you know?
Alright. Yeah, man. One bulb that is it. Yes, it. Yeah, man. Part one. Yeah, man. Your man can't get one, is it? Yeah. Oh, some man. Hot, you know.
Me can't grab this.
Take one corn, man. One corn. Yeah.
Alright.
Hot. Me guess, you know.
Yeah. I would like
Hot, you know.
Yeah, I'm going to
Rastafari.
We're going to test and see where I go.
Yes, which is right.
And the side plate.
Alright, natural plate, is
Yeah,
it?
man, natural plate,
Yeah.
brother.
Daddy, it's a fear one, huh? Who else not get? Oh, the general. Rastafari. How it tastes? Yeah, man.
Ready, man.
You ready? That is it, man.
Yeah, for one house, you know?
Rice? Yeah, man, we eat some rice with the meat. Man, real strong food, you know.
Alright, I am this, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, natural.
Feel high, you know. Yeah, man, Rastafari.
Man, I know you come get some of your paper.
It lies.
Wicked.
Oh, man.
People,
Yeah, I trouble.
we have to come check out this, you know. Yeah, man, on the beach side.
Yes, it.
Thing no normal. Wicked.
I trouble, man.
The crackers, this, you know.
Yes, it. Everything cooked perfect. Yeah, man.
But,
That's how you know. Much gravy in that. I tell you know, my style of filing fish different, you know. See that? Yeah, you know. Good, bad.
Yeah, man, it's good. Yeah, man, nice.
It nice, alright. Yeah, man. Nice, you know?
Yeah, everything ready, you know.
Yes, man.
So hard, yeah, man, it can go on, man.
Nice. Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Fish and plant.
Plant and crackers and, you know,
Yeah.
coconut juice style. Yeah, man. Yes, hello?
Red stripe and grouper.
Yes, man.
And it's all good.
Red stripe, grouper. Can't wrong.
Yeah, Ram.
And coconut.
Crackers, planting,
Plant.
up to the time.
Yeah, man. Man, I vibes, you know? Yeah, is it, man? Nice calabash, huh? Eat white rice. Yeah. Hot. Fleshy.
Ready.
Yeah, man. Fleshy or freak. Damn fish and your fleshy.
Ready, you go.
Yeah. I'll get one bucket of water.
You walk in there.
on the fish. But,
Yes, man. Smart thing, man.
That's wicked.
Yes, man.
Wow, right, so get to there. What do you mean?
That is it, man. Natural spring water. Nice, man. Taliban, well.
There you go.
Yeah, man. Everything Panama fish are sell off, you know. The head, people want the head more. Solid. Yeah, man, so left bone. Taliban coming. Let the body get a piece, you know. Yeah, man, tell the people to subscribe, Paul.
Yeah, man. Up and running,
Yeah,
man.
man, subscribe to the thing, you know.
Yeah, man. Straight up, man. Just press the button, you know. Yeah, man. Why not, man? For
Yeah,
real,
man, when the
man.
money start, make Paul have to get something.
Yeah, man. We did it, man. Number one, man. See it there?
Done.
I skull, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna mash you up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So everybody enjoy, you know. So catch you guys in a tomorrow episode. Yeah, man. Tomorrow me I go probably take a later upload.
You done with it?
Yeah, man.
Sometimes I feel weak, I can't move my feet, but now I run miles away. Sometimes I get